People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Maya Angelou. This quote is so important when it comes to presenting. And how you show up is crucial to how people feel about you and the environment you create. And I've seen so many people come into online meetings not ready, showing up in a way where it's kind of nonchalant, like, oh yeah, I'm here. This is no big deal. Not really bringing a lot of energy or enthusiasm, just kind of showing up like, oh, I'll just chill on my couch and make this presentation. I can tell you, that is very forgettable. And as a leader, we want to forget that in the wrong way. It's not inspiring. It's not engaging. It doesn't show like, hey, this person is putting their heart into this. I want to follow this person. All presentations we do, whether it's small group or a big group, have high stakes attached to them. And that's why you need to show up in a way where you're going to make people feel good right away. Because people don't start judging you the second you start presenting. People start judging you the moment they lay eyes on you. And you need to show up ready to make a great impression.